Coach Lewin, good evening.
Good evening,
tough
evening.
luck again, you're on the losing end.
End, yeah.
But what's your assessment of the game?
I tell you what, goal changes games. So right to concede that goal in that manner, right at the half time, meant everybody inside there, the job was to try to get them head up.
Yes.
Because, finger got start pointing left and right. But we try to get them up, them come back out. Another mistake, and once it go 2-0 down, the game was over. The game was over.
But I know, it's the second game. You have been preparing from last year. You were very young last year. What are the plus, what are the positive you take from this game today?
Well, with a loss, it's hard to find the positive, but we will find the positive and work on it. But today, as we say, they did play football and they played some good football, so we're not going to take that. We have to give credit where credit's due, and there's some good football, especially when the goals them going. They keep the ball really well, and that's what you do when teams chase the game, and they do that to our team. So congrats to them.
All right, again, coach, all the best. You know that you have a lot of work to do, and we are looking better for Charlemont. I know you're working hard.
Yeah. Well, as I say, and you know some of them 14, 15, but we're not football don't have no age, so we just play the game. All right, thank you very much.
Yeah, man, respect.
All right.
All right, all the best. All right, so this is where we